Right now in this world we live in, opportunities can be found wherever you look. Just as long as you're looking at the right place, there's no time for you to slack off and just do nothing all day without money coming into your bank account. I mean, that's already so out of style today. Tons of careers can be pursued which allow everyone to have an equal privilege of making money in all aspects. It's literally everywhere that even some simple YouTube shorts will create an efficient and effective income stream for you and will make you earn a massive amount at a whopping $55,000. And guess what? Everything will all be done in full autopilot. Just want to say, wow, $5,000 all in complete autopilot. That's just out of this world. Amazing if you ask me. Now all the good things are compiled and collected with this method, since it has all the most amazing stuff you could ever ask for. First, it just screams convenience like no other, since you can access it no matter where you are in the world using any device within your reach. Second, it's purely accessible, since you will not need any experience in any technical skills to make this a success. This means that using just your phone or your laptop, and as a total novice, you can make that $2 for every 2 minutes. And lastly, you're absolutely going to love hearing about this method's fees. In order to utilize this method in making money, guess how much money you need is an investment? Well, you're going to need to prepare. And that's because this website is absolutely 100% free. Without further ado, let's get right into the primary website, which is just centered around YouTube Shorts. The very first website that I'll be introducing you is called InVideo.io. This website is a powerful online video editor. It comes packed with more than 5,000 templates, IOC media, music library, filters, transitions, and much more. And get this, no download is required, and no credit card is needed from you either. As I have said in the beginning, everything will all be free of charge, so just get started right here, right now. Since this entire thing is guaranteed 100% free on this page, you can see tons of amazing templates right here that you can freely use as you create video content to be posted on any forms of media. Now for this specific method, we are going to create videos to be posted as YouTube Shorts. So let's find some templates that correspond to the nature of our purpose. But wait, what is the nature of our YouTube Shorts? Well, we are going to focus on fitness and health-related videos, as that is currently trending right now. Many people hailing from anywhere in the world are looking for ways and secrets on how to lose weight fast and easy. They are determined to be in good shape, so they constantly find some supplementary information that can supply what they're looking for. And that's exactly what we're going for right now. With the use of YouTube Shorts as the main medium, we are going to impart some tricks on how to maintain optimum health and wellness. And this has tons of audiences waiting anyway. I want you to click on this button that says View All, and it will redirect you to this page where all templates are now presented on this one giant page. The reason why I took you to this page is to gain out access to the search bar right here. I want you to use the search bar and type in fitness. Once you have done that, the next thing to do is to narrow down the search results by choosing a specific format, which should be 9 by 16 vertical, since that's the standard format for YouTube Shorts. After doing so, everything will then be aligned to what you're looking for. You can now view all of these ready-made templates that are all about fitness, and you're just going to do some minor configurations from now on. Now let's try and click one template. Just pick out any of the templates that you like by browsing through the whole page and locate the perfect video template for you. They have all the good stuff right here, and you can never go wrong in going with any one of these templates. I am telling you honestly, everything is just aesthetic royalty, as all the videos look drop dead absolutely stunning. Anyway, once you have chosen the perfect template for you, I want you to click on this button that says use this template. After doing so, it will then lead you to this page where you can now edit the video to match it to what you like from the pre-made video. You can do edits on the timeline, you can also add some voiceovers, and you also have the freedom to add scenes and more clips. You have all the necessary tools and elements you need on this left column right here. You can also choose to upload more video clips that you obtained on your own, so you totally have full creative freedom with this platform. You can also add some images, music, text, logos, and more. And honestly, these are also amazing because everything is already handed to you on a silver platter. Just pick out what suits your cup of tea, and then InVideo will do all the work for you. It's just like magic, isn't it, on the video itself. You can also customize the duration of the videos so that you can manipulate how long they will be on screen. You can also duplicate some scenes if you want to make more of the same format. And you also have the freedom to delete some scenes if you wish to emit something that you don't like. It's all up to you, so you can just do what you want with your own video. Now at this point, allow me to tell you how you can insert your affiliate link with this method. Make sure to listen very carefully, since this is going to require some intricate detail that you have to fulfill in order to make this entire thing a huge success. So what I want you to do is to duplicate the final scene to create an additional scene. This is where you are going to attach your affiliate link. Just modify the text since you have the privilege to do that, and change it into a call to action. You can put something like, click the link on the video description if you want to stay in shape and be in good health right now, or literally whatever you want. And then take one last look at your video and make sure to review every second in the video. Once you're already satisfied and think to yourself that this is already good, then trust your gut and download the video right now. After downloading the video, you can now begin to make money as soon as possible and build your way up to the world of money making online. But wait, you don't have a product to promote just yet. We already talked about how we are going to promote some weight loss tips, but haven't exactly gone through as to what the product is. But before I unveil where you can get the product, and before we dive deeper into the video, let me give you this period to give the video a thumbs up if you like this video, and then leave a comment down below if you're interested in what's coming up next. Done? Alright, let's get back to the video. So we're already one step closer to reaching the finish line for today's video. With that said, let's now venture into where you can get products to promote as a part of the affiliate program that you attach in your YouTube short. Now these two websites have already made their name in the affiliate world, as they have proven to be very effective in building a foundation for money making, most especially for beginners like you. And these are the websites called ClickBank and Digistore24. Just choose what website you want to visit, as they both offer the same caliber of amazing services and products offered for this video. Let's head into Digistore24.com and go right into the marketplace immediately. As you can see here, they offer a wide variety of product categories that anyone can promote. We will no longer go through each of the categories one by one, since we already know what product we are looking for. With that said, I want you to go to the section for fitness and health, and you can see this product right here called the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This is what you're going to promote, since it has an insane range with these astonishing statistics, with a commission income reaching 85% at an average offered $6.58 every commission. There's just no doubt that this product will make you earn fat stacks of cash in no time. So just click this button right here to copy your affiliate link, and then you're all set at this point. The final step is to finally upload the video on YouTube. Just fill in the necessary fields, beginning with the title, then the video description. So for the title, you can just put something along the words "lose weight easy with these amazing tricks you can learn fast." And for the description, this is where you're going to attach your unique affiliate link. You can shorten your link by going to tineural.com to make it look sleek and to make it look more friendly to the masses. Just pass the shortened version of your link here, and there you go. Your YouTube short is now ready to upload, and that can only mean one thing: the money-making journey begins right now. And that is basically it for this entire video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and tell me what you have learned today. Oh, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you love the entire thing. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. If you find this video beneficial, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.